you wouldn't have got none of those experiences. So everything that happened in life, me just take it to with a smile. That's why you see how me look little and neat, me not make nothing trouble me.
Even when you have on the rough face, you're still smiling on the inside.
I'm joke. No people used to come to you with a smiling face, a total hypocrite. I smile in my heart. That's why every time people see me, them feel happy because my smile inside of my heart. And when you see me, you say love.
True.
Nice. You understand? Me have a man come to you and cleaning teeth. No, waste of time that.
Yeah.
Hypocrite that.
You've been in the business now for how long?
Time.
For over 20 years?
Yeah,
What moments?
I do more than 30 years now.
Yeah, man, a long time, man.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
So out of all of that, outside of, you know, the stage shows and everything, is there a specific moment that still stands out to you that you'll never, ever, ever forget?
Well, you want me know. You want stand out moment for me when I turn brother days, man, you know.
Yeah, exactly. That's
So what happened to
how did
Brother
that
Days,
happen though? Like what happened? You're walking on church, a pastor